Hey there, people. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the NuValu home laundry bag. Now, this is a very large, very useful laundry bag that I've used, especially when I am going, say, on a vacation, or if I'm traveling or anything like that where I'm going to need to keep my laundry inside a bag, to prepare for washing. Now, this bag is pretty darn big. It's 102 centimeters is the length, and it's pretty big, as you can see. It holds a lot, and the material is a polypropylene material. Now, what's significant about polypropylene is that it makes it so if you have a lot of dirty laundry together inside a large bag, it makes it so the smells don't become concentrated in there. It makes it so it kind of is a material that kind of breathes, lets the nasty dirty fumes kind of leave the bag. You can see material is kind of, you can see the little tiny woven holes in there. So it's really good. It's really good. Now, this is a new one. I have several of these, and I like that it's very strong. You can pack it to the rim, and what it has is this drawstring here, like this, that you pull, and it scrunches up right here, so you can scrunch it really good, and this top right here becomes really small, and you can put all your stuff in there. It's really good. Great for travel. Very, very good for travel, and it holds a lot. It really does. And I'm just really glad I found these. Before, I was just using pillowcases and things like that on travel when I use these. When I needed to put my clothes in dirty laundry, I would just pack them in like a pillowcase or anything like that. But I found these are really economical. They're not expensive at all, and they work really, really well. And I've only seen them in white on the package. It looks like a gray is on there, but I have not seen the gray one. Yeah, but it is really, really a good bag, and I've used it for around 4 months now. I bought 3 of them. This one I hadn't opened yet. I only opened it for this one for the video here, and it works really, really well. It does. It really does. I learned about these bags through a website that I saw, and I saw actually another person using these. So I decided to try it. I looked it up, and I bought one just to try to see, because I thought, because it looks very thin. I thought because it's so thin, you see my fingers through there. I thought this material was going to be kind of flimsy, and easy to tear. I didn't think it was durable, but I was very wrong. But I saw that the material, you could see the material through it when I saw the person using it online. I was attracted to the price, so I said, okay, I'll give it a shot. I used it, and I saw that, you can see my hand right through there. I started stuffing it with clothes right away, as soon as I got it, the very same day. And it really holds the clothes very well. I stuffed it all the way to the rim, drew the string all the way back, and tightened it really tight around the top, and it held. It held really good. I threw it over my shoulder, and I carried it all the way to the laundry area, and it worked. It worked very well. Yeah. And it opens real easy too, to relax the opening so you can get all your clothes out. really good. I use one for my dirty white clothes and one for my dirty colored clothes. It works very, very well. I like it a lot. I'll continue to use it. All right, well, this is the NuValu home laundry bags. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.